y'all. We're going over the road for training.
Gonna react stuff. So that throw the rhythm on some quick taps. Yeah. If it makes sense in a minute, I'm gonna take it to the starting point. Clutch if you in your higher gears, then you don't necessarily need your clutch to break your speed down. But when you on your low gears, coming to a complete stop, clutch in, brake. Over here, 16 you out. 13, 12, you back in. Shoot for the 13 though. 16, you out. 13, you back in. So that's what I'm saying. Clutch. If you clutch at that 16, by the time you say clutch, you right there at the 13. Those are sweet spots. When you use that technique, it's gonna work flawless every time. Boom, boom. Dismiss.
Pedal one motion, right? Yeah, okay.
No, not to shift over tracks. Those are all auto failures. Shifting over tracks, catching that right turn, catching that curve, catching that right turn. That impeding traffic, you gotta make a truck back down from all auto fails. Back down is a certain way to do it. Now if you already started your move and then the car pulls up and they backed up, you still clear. They was already there and then you start to move and they gotta back up and you scare them, you fail. Certain way, when I show you the 50 split, if it's too tight, take 50% of this lane and cut in, then you ain't gotta worry about it. Split up. Hit your splitter right there. Go ahead, do it.
Okay.
Yep. Now all the way back to your one. Start your gears over. One becomes 6. Go back. Put it in gear. Yep. Back to neutral. Then go to your 7. Right in the middle. Oh, that look like reverse. You should come back up. See, once you hit 6, that's high gear. Once you under that 6, you gotta flip your splitter back down for your low gears. You're gonna start off in the gear. You're starting off in 3. So once you're ready to shift, you're clutching out to neutral. Clutching back into 4. Gotta chill with the camera still.
Oh, I'm sorry. So y'all probably not gonna get to see me drive because, by the way, it's the next day of training. But anyway, because I would have to have somebody hold the phone. Also, the trainer advised us not to have the phones going or the cameras rolling while driving because, you know, it's not safe, and then you can get fined for that if you get pulled over. So you guys probably not gonna be able to see me drive at this point. As far as driving, I might have to wait maybe down the line if I have a stage camera or something. Always safety first, y'all. Always. But everything is going good so far. I'm back in the truck. As y'all can see, it's a bed back there. I'm definitely not getting on there. But however, I'm in a truck with some other people, so I do gotta sit on the bed, of course, and share the wheel. But yesterday was my first day going on the freeway, so that was interesting. Since I've been trained the first time, I wasn't too nervous because I was more focused, and like I said, just trying to stay safe. But I did pretty good yesterday. Definitely getting good at shifting my gears, which I think I showed y'all a picture of the gears. I'm gonna show y'all again of the layout of the gear. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this is your gear. So if I haven't explained with your stick, that's what you're using to put it into the gear. And your numbers go up as you go up, and as you go down, they go down. And the only other thing that I didn't point out just now is this flipper. So the flipper goes up and the flipper goes down. Up is for the higher gears and down is for the lower gears. So whenever you shift in between gears, once you get to your highest or your lowest gear, which in this case is 5, you want to flip that flipper up, take it to 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10 as your speed increase. And that's what we doing, y'all. That's basically all we doing is learning how to drive this manual shift transmission truck. All right, so far so good. I'll keep y'all posted on my next moves. Let's get to training.